right. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the stream. Fifth part on the Pillars of Fortune coding stream. I can't lie. Okay. I can't lie. I'm tempted to do the announcement as soon as possible, but I think I'm going to. I think I'm going to wait a little bit. What happened to your TNL remake? Yeah, it's specified on the Discord server. I think I put there a video of my thoughts on it, and I think I'm not going to finish it. But yeah, you can get all of the info back there. I already talked about it a little. All right. Let's get started. Hello, everyone. All right. Damn, I don't know where I'm going to do my my little announcement here. I'd rather absolutely nothing. I kill every friend for a burger. What the hell? Holy Jolly. What? Why? Because the hello, hello. 12446 GD. I'm not sure how I'm meant to say your name. Am I mugging today? What? What would I be? No, I'm definitely the same. I'm sorry. Maybe I got some eye bags because I haven't slept too well. But you know, troll face and Jolly. Then we got some spicy viewers today. All right. What? I love my friends more than burgers. I'm sorry. I do absolutely nothing. Okay. So program for today, I think, is I'm going to code a little of these, right? The bunch of stuff that it's not going to take too long. Actually, let me keep it on screen. It's not going to take too long. Oh wait, never mind. Wait, it's not on screen. What's going on? I always get screwed by OBS. There we go. All right. So yeah, the most of these are like very simple things, but I'm going to. Oh wait, my mic's a bit quiet. Are you sure? Are you guys sure it's not just a stream? Like your stream is being quiet because I haven't changed anything. Or is it like compared to the music? Is this better? Probably. Like compared to the mic, compared to the music. Hello, Speeder. My volume is fine. All right. Hello, Elias. Okay. So yeah, most of these are. Well, you should follow you because if you want to like catch streams after, I don't know. That's the reason to follow. No, you only follow if you want to get the notifications for the streams. You could also alternatively just go on Discord, but you know it is what it is. Damn. Okay. Not sure then what's going on. I could boost the microphone a little bit. Thank you. Fox is scared of money. Yeah, you should stop giving it. By the way, Speeder, because like you've been subbing way too much. You gotta calm down, mate. You gotta keep your money for yourself. I'm a bit hyper because there's the announcement. Yeah, it's a bit tough. I really don't know when I'm going to like say it in terms of timing. I think we can maybe do a little of these first, a little of the tasks, right? So let me reduce them for now. But I think first thing I want to toggle on is the death loop, right? Let's use the thing because I'm confused. The random blocks behind you. What? What are we talking about? Do you know about Diamond Fire? I happen to know a bit about Diamond Fire, yeah. Oh wait, this. Wait, no, but Cappy, you joined from an ad, so you know about Diamond Fire, right? It's the best of 3 release date. This guy knows what's up. Okay, let me enable Deathloop, right, as a first thing. By the way, for those of you that didn't see last night's stream, we coded in Lucky Blocks. So if you want to submit any Lucky Block event ideas, we could do that. What is used for the chest? You mean the code space? Are you from Mace Roulette by any chance? Let me do a background check. Okay, see, yeah. So this is the code space. This is where I use instructions to dictate what happens when I play the game. From other pillar of some. Okay, I see. Elias, you got one of your players in the chat. Yeah. So basically, this is where I code everything that happens to the game. You tried vibe coding yet? No. I'm firmly against it. Anyway, yeah. Oh yeah, crap! It's invisible pillars. So yeah, I think I want to like definitely change back the whole spectator thing. I think we're going to be much better with spectators being in spectator mode. Lots of things like that. We encountered tons of problems. I think that teleporting back when you die in the void breaks for some reason. The hitbox of the spectator, although it could be fixed with a hitless armor stand like disguise, I'm not too sure how exactly I'd want this to go. Because also the spectators can send back cast fireballs, etc. So I don't know. May I ask what the benefits of having custom name tags are? So you can better control stuff, I guess. I also wanted to like include a player's health, right? To like make it be visible. Because I think that could be interesting. What does it do? You mean the point message? Oh, it just makes it glow in chat. Right. So first of all, let's just like do things according to the list, right? I think in player death, we just want to like spawn the entire inventory because well, we have like manual deaths. The player never actually dies by that. So that's what I mean. As you can probably recall, we have this little script right there: event damage bigger than current health, and then we cancel the event and do stuff on the player then. So, oh hello Baconator. Okay, wait, Baconationator. Baconationator. Okay. Right. So over there. Also, we just like fancify a little bit this so we can like distinguish it in chat, right? It's not going to be much, but it's gonna be better. What's my red code again? I think it's this. And I think yeah. So just to like distinguish it in chat, obviously we'll have like proper death messages in some time, but it's not my my goal today. I left these being like this, by the way, in case we ever did a resource back, because I would have how do you say this? How I would have made it so the death messages would belong in like a lang file or something, so I could like make them translatables. Could be fun. Anyway, yeah, let's go for that. So before player.spectate, which is going to clear the player's inventory, I think we might just want to like repeat an inventory, right? So inventory is only going to include the main part of the inventory, this one. And I reckon we have to add all of the offhand. Let's see. We add the offhand, the armor, and the cursor, I think it is. Probably not. Okay. Inventory here. Thank you for following. So let's do append list first and put in the armor over there. And then we put in the offhand and the cursor. I think that should cover every item that you have in your inventory. So now, let's repeat for every item in inventory. No weight necessary, I think. And what we do is we're probably going to check that it's not air beforehand. How do we check that? You probably do items equal here. Let's make an air item to compare it to. Like this, you set the type of stone to air. Works pretty fine. So let's check if the item is equal to air, and probably we check if it's not. And if it's not, then we can spawn it. At the midpoint location of the player. No, the item. That's what I want. Right, so that's a very simple, like, artificial death drop thing. I guess what we can also do is item as enchant. So, like, item does not have the enchant, vanishing curse. One step to look at glitch. Yeah. One day. Yes, you're right. I should. It's just an old reflex I'm trying to get rid of. But yeah, I'm mostly just like to keep doing the not arrow every time. Okay, so yeah, we check if it doesn't have Vanishing Curse as the enchantment. I don't know when I might use that, but like if you want to be rigorous, you gotta implement that. Okay. Yeah, kinda. Is there a play setting for this, or are you purposely coding custom death drop stream? There is a setting for this over there. Where is it? It's death drops allowed here. The thing is, as you can see in my take damage code, when the damage is bigger than the current health, what I do is I cancel and then death. Because I found, I don't know if they patched it. That's actually like a very old habit, because this predates when we were able to do instant respawning. But when they came out with instant respawning, I found that it was pretty buggy in some aspects. So I just never moved on from using that trick, I guess. But yeah, it's a neat trick for custom death. Basically, what this is interesting for is that the death function is like separated by default to a function, so you can just call it from anywhere if you want to make a player like die from the void instantly. Yeah, that's about it. Right, so let's test that this actually drops the loot. Riches. I don't know why it turns me around. I'm not gonna lie. Like, my code makes it so you actually face the thing. So I don't know what's going on. Let's grab things from the middle. And then let's make us a little platform, just so the loot doesn't get everywhere. Right? We disable flights. All right. Seems like it works quite nicely. I'll pick it up as a spectator as well. Okay, well, that's one thing done. So fix spectating is a big one afterwards, which we'll need to fix. So I think for this, basically, we just want to like remove this scaling thing. Actually, wait, the scale thing might still be useful. That's absolutely not where it is. Over there. Let's put it as like way smaller for the scale. And then let's change this to be spectator. Because that way, what we can do is we can activate spectator collision, which makes it so you can't phase through blocks. Though, to be fair, do you really want that? Probably not, no. You want spectators to be able to, like, phase through shit. So no need for set flying, no need for weakness, because that was to prevent hit sound. No need for set collidable. What is that P when you open chests? It's probably Milo mode. Yes, it is Milo mode. It is for sound previews, I think. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Right. So disable blocks. Yes, of course. I think though we probably can put that in play.reset here, but you know, we'll see. Ooh. Because Milo is actually coded. Oh, hey, Box, like Hungry Box. I didn't know he still streamed. Right, so spectator mode's going to be more comfy in terms of coding all the exceptions and shit. The issue with spectator mode is that for click detection and for like clicking on an item in your inventory, that's going to be a bit more tough. Because for stuff like the def options, what the fuck? Oh, because in player.reset I disable flight, right? But we can take that away. It's fine. Right, so we're a normal spectator now. Okay, good. So what I'll probably do is I'll add some something like showing where you are as a spectator. That could be fine. And then hide it from actual players, just so spectators can see each other. That could be fun. Maybe we can do that when we do the def options. But the thing is, for the def options, I didn't want to like bring up a GUI. What I wanted to do is make it so like you can like look at a specific block and trigger to break it. You can or like spawn a random mob anywhere. Basically, I didn't want to like be tied to the spectator position or the player position. I want it to be like so you can play stuff anywhere that you're looking at. I felt that this was a bit more interesting, and this required items in the chat, items in the hotbar. Sorry, not items in the chat, to be able to like choose different effects, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, I don't really know what I'm going to do now for like selection. I think I might have to like stick to a GUI. It's a bit less interesting, but you know, it is what it is. We'll see. Okay, what do we have to do now? We fixed spectating. Death messages. Well, okay. That's what I postponed like 5 minutes ago, but you know, it is what it is. For death messages, I feel like the best way to go is to just do a class, right? So in here, let's do a death messages thing. Let's add a code space, by the way. Death messages.init, right? We can use that class system again that I made. That's available on Code Vault, by the way, in case you want to grab it. Death messages init dot death message. So in a death message, we want, so the ID is going to be the reason of death. Makes sense. We want solo message and an attacker message. The attacker message would be for when you're killed by somebody, or like when there's kill credit involved, right? So we can do that pretty easily, I think. It's just to be able to like separate it. So death message.init.death message. First one we want to do obviously is void. So for void, I think what you do is you do set one fell in the void, right? And then you do this fell in the void whilst fighting 2. And I'm going to use 1 and 2 as my indicators, right? I have to authorize it. It's good when I have to authorize the message. Yeah. Okay. So ID here. Let's just say reason, right? Let's call it a reason. Then let's do solo message. Specify for player name. And then attacker message. And this for victim name, for killer name. Right, agree like that. Yeah, exactly. All right, so death message. We take the reason, the solo message, and the attacker message. Right? We can do it like this. Obelisk of 16. Yeah. Right. So once we've done that, right, we can go back to the dev code, and here's what we're going to do. We want to like generate the dev messages here. Let's see. I reckon that what we do is we're just going to first we want to check if it exists, right? If the variable actually let's do list contains. That's cleaner. Over there. Dev message dot registry. If it does not contain the reason, it means we forgot to do something. So let's use the send debug message warning to me, or maybe devs in general. But let's assume like so this goes to like cross nodes. It's pretty good. It's pretty cool, I think. So warning here. Dev reason %var reason is not implemented. Right, so this will tell me if there's anything like missing here, right? And as such, we will do this. Right? So if it's not, that means that we actually have a dev message. So I think first of all, what we want to do is add kill credits. That way we can actually print the name of the attacker. So what's a good way to add kill credits? I reckon that the best way is to just use like player damage here, right? Then you think a little bit about what you want to do. And you... So, okay, I know what I'm going to do. I know how I'm going to do it. So %default game.attackers is going to be a dictionary that keeps track of all of the people that have hit you in like the last X seconds. So we'll create it when the player joins the game. Over there. Yes, over there. All right, let me just take a second. All right. What the fuck? What do you mean? Oh, the announcement. Yeah, okay. Just use a dictionary. I thought you use a class system. Oh my fucking god. Loki, you deserve a fucking sub for that. Am I able to just give it like this? It costs money for me to give a sub to myself. Really? That's actually crazy. Kind of crazy. Yeah, so let me finish up death messages, then I think I can take a second to like do the announcement. Because Yeah, I mean that's yeah. I'm just like paying back money. What the fuck? Okay. So the game attackers, right? I think what you want to do is you want to set the victims, game dot attackers, percent attacker to well, let's do const dot attacker cooldown. We'll call it. An attacker cooldown is just like how long your kill credits last. So let's make it I don't know 15 seconds. Hmm. $20 more. No. You're not giving money again. This stream speeder. Come on. Yeah. So the thing is now we want also a loop running to like remove from this. You're gonna think I'm actually fucking insane. Decrement. It sounds weird. The word sounds weird, right? Decrement. You'd always say increment, but never decrement. Maybe it's like a second language skill issue. But yeah, nobody speed out. Don't worry. Absolutely nobody. Definitely, nothing. Don't actually give money again, please. Oh my god. Keep that money for yourself, Dwayne. Get yourself something delivered. Oh my god. Um. Right. So, I think what you want to do is you want to just add another loop. It's probably going to be fine. Or actually, maybe in the game loop. Yeah, maybe have it in the game loop, right? Because it's not that big a function. You can simply do in game here. You can repeat on percent defaults, not percent defaults, but on every player in game dot players, and you can repeat on attacker. Let's see. I think we need to like set a copy of the dictionary. What do you mean? Why am I using a game variable for that? That's normal, no? Percent of our player game dot attackers. What, what's wrong with that? Also, it's for each entry here. Right, let's go cooldown. So we copy the dict here. Let's put that here. We copy this, and here what we want to do. Oh wait, hold on. Ah yes, this is why it'd be better as a separate loop. Trust the process, because it only needs to happen every second, right? So where do we start? You know what? This is way easier. Usages, process, game loop. Wait, no. Wait, hold on. It's in game start that we wanted to start, right? Over there. Game loop dot kill credits. Let's call it that. Okay. You want to repeat while game status is in game. you wait for seconds, and then you repeat the code I just did, which is you repeat for every player. You repeat attacker cooldown for the copy dict, which you'll set beforehand. Thank you. For this, we'll set attacker to be... No! Speed! An anonymous user, sorry. I can't blame Speed. Thank you, anonymous user. Oh my god. Thanks for the Reddit gold. Oh, fuck. Alright, so the thing is if the cooldown is less than 1 here, which means that the new cooldown is going to be 0, what you want to do is you want to remove the entry. Right, so we've got this, and this should suffice, I think. In play.dev then, what we can do here is we can just grab the attackers. We can grab the attackers by sorting the dictionary. We can grab the first attacker, right? The most recent attacker, I should say. So you want to sort it in descending order and sort by value. The percent equal game.attackers, which means that if you then get the keys from this and get the first of the attackers, that's going to be the killer, right? And the one we can put in the thing. So obviously here, what we want to do is we want to check that the value is not empty. Actually, we can do it as early as here. Oh wait, hold on. There we go. Let's use F. We want to check that the value is not empty for the dictionary, right? And then if it's not, we can extract stuff here. So let's just do killer as none. And then we extract it here if it is. Actually, wait, no, that's a dumb way to do it. All right, let's do message here. So if I go back to the def message.init, solo message and attacker message, that's the one. So let's call this solo message, right? The message. Then, if there is an attacker, you want to call it attacker message, I reckon. Wait, no, okay, no, this is a bad way to do it. I think what you want to do is you want to do def message.%var reason .solo message. You want to set the message as this at the start. You want to replace it's at 1 with the player's name, like this. We'll probably put in some colors afterwards. It's fine. And here, what you want to do... Actually, wait, no, okay. This should be after, because we can replace the message inside. Right, we only need the first occurrence. Let's not scan through the whole message. Or maybe let's do all occurrences in case we repeat stuff or like custom def messages, etc. So let's here instead set the message to attacker message. We can even do it in one go. Attacker message. But we can do the action real quick by replacing, by replacing @2 with the killer. Oh, hello, Benjamin. Good to see you. Well, I'm not... What do you mean by overcomplicating it? Okay, now that we've done that, this should be the def message. Oh wait, so this is if the death message exists, so let's keep it there. And I reckon that we can just do this now. %bar message. Right, that should work. All right. So let's just like throw ourselves in the void immediately when we join. Jesus fuck, 5 modifiers. My god. What is that? Did he spawn on the barrier? Oh wait, no, it's because I've got random sights, so I thought I was like way up. Okay, gotcha. Alright, let's die in the void. See how that looks. Okay, I added a dot. Okay, so but yeah, the messages works. That's good. So now I guess the shtick is to like type out a whole shit ton of death messages whenever you. Why did I land on the fucking BoJack Horseman theme? What the fuck? Such a good fucking song. Let me reduce it. Yo, wait, good one. I just caught on, Evil Clone. Good stuff. So wait, let me just like make sure. What are some death reasons that we should include, right? So fall, fucking everything, no, because like, so if you want like a quick list of every damage reason that you can encounter, that's in there. Fuck. All right, let's take notes. Yeah. Death messages. Right. We've got block explosion. So that's TNTs. Contact for cactus. Cramming. That's never going to happen. But yeah, okay, no, it's never going to happen. Actually, wait, no. You can cram with entities. So yeah. Custom. Wait, no, we don't need custom. That's going to get replaced. Who the fuck just opened the chest? Okay, it's red. I'm going schizo. Okay, cramming. Dragon breath. Don't think that can happen, but whatever. Drowning. Dry out. Dry out is for squids and shit, right? Yeah, fish on land. Entity attack. Entity explosion. Oh fuck, we actually need to add like kill credit for entities as well. Fuck. Oh, okay. Entity explosion. Entity sweep attack. Fall, falling block. Fire, fire tick. Fly into wall. I thought it's just called fly into wall. It's not like kinetic or anything like that. Freeze. Hot floor. Kill? What the fuck is kill? Is it like the kill command? Probably. Lava. Magic. That's like potions, right? Melting. Melting is not going to be needed. Poison. Projectile. Starvation. Suffocation. Thorns. Void. Void is already done. Wither. Walled border. We can actually add walled border. That's kind of nice. Kill should be damage consequence, not damage cause. Yeah, for real. Okay. So, you know how it is. Just add a shit ton. I don't know how many are going to be necessary, whatever. I think I can like copy from this and paste into. Oh. Wait. Let me like remove the comments here. Wait, no, I just accidentally. Oh yeah, let me just like remove the kill command. To copy the function block? You can do that? Such a fucking boomer, what the fuck? Can we skip to the announcement? Alright, hold on. Walled border. There's a suicide damage code. What? Is there? Okay, void. So let's add it here. Oh shit. Yeah, okay, so let me just like def message. Come on! I legitimately, I did not know that you could do that. I think I just never tested it. Okay. Well, I should have done that, because now I'm going to have to spend the entire fucking thing. Yeah. Okay. Here we go again. Alright, so I'm not going to spend like the entire stream doing death messages though. Like I'll save these for when I'm off stream. I'll do a little bit of off the camera mining, as the kids say. Yeah, I forgot this one. All right. I just do return here. We'll catch all of this after it's completely fine. Okay. So death messages we can consider done. Death stuff for spectators is going to be get the fuck out of here. And proper winning as well. Oh my god. Let's add this. This is more fun. I want to get to the announcement. So priest players when they join. I think that should be pretty easy, right? Just in game.join, you add temporary slowness. Actually, no, that's gonna fuck up now. Because it's going to do the FOV shit. So let's do walking speed instead. Let's make it a process. Player.temp freeze. Right? For temp freeze, what you do is you want it to last like a second, right? And you set the walking speed to be 0. Benjamin is demanding the announcement. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. You want what's it called? The jump strength to be 0 as well, right? Because this doesn't like account for sprint jumping, I think, which bypasses this. But okay, let's like. I'm too lazy to read the values. So let's see if sprint jumping also works. No modifiers. Okay. Oh, I completely fuck! I got distracted. I forgot to do it. We need to add leave as well in the death messages. Let's actually do that one right now. Yep. Leave. At 1 left the plot. And then at 1 left the plot whilst fighting at 2. You know what? Let's make this more interesting. What was pushed into the void by at 2? All right. Let's see. I don't know why it makes it face away. It's really weird. Lucky blocks. All right. So I'm holding Control A and jump. Yeah. Okay. Ah! Fuck. Are you serious? I did slash fly. I was gonna play around a lucky blocks. Oh my god. All right, whatever. Stream's back. Your ISP gotta be trolling. Yeah, for real. All right. So let's check this out. Let's say this is good, right? We'll do the announcement right now, Benjamin. Don't worry. Okay. So I'm going to post something in the chat to highlight it, but well, to link to it because it's premiering in 2 hours, I reckon. Maybe 1. I think it's no, it should be 2. Let's see. Where the fuck's the link? Hold on. Trust the process. The announcement is anticipated. All right. We'll stream until the announcement is ready as well. Okay, there you go. You'll see when you join the link that we're releasing the patch 2.0 for Vault Versus. And there's a trailer to go with it, which I've talked about for the last couple of days, which is coming out tonight at in 2 hours normally, if I said it correctly. You absolutely can click the link. What the fuck? Oh yeah. I'm going to do it's just Vault 2. What do you mean it's just Vault 2? But yeah, I'm going to post actually something in Vault Versus 2. $100. Okay, good. So it's the correct timing. I may screen share the link. What? All right. I'll do an everyone thing in the Discord. What are you taking over the excellence in time? Any docs for call shadowing? I know some communities I can link you to afterwards. Anyway, yeah. The premiere is in 100 minutes. So we'll be there when it airs, I think. Maybe I can put it up on the screen also. Could be fine. But yeah, so there's also going to be the release date along to go with it. It's not tonight. I'm sorry. I've got to specify. I'm not going to do a TheFox special. The release is not tonight, but you'll see when it is, and it's in not too long. L 100 minutes, W 0 minutes. Nah, don't worry. It's true that it's been a long time, yeah. Get popular on YouTube shorter than get us players on TV. You're true, actually. I mean, kind of a curse, right? Because like if I do that, you'll see that there's like going to be what is it? Crap ton of players on every on every round. Get out there. I should. I need Flop to teach me his ways. To teach me the Flop special. Hello, Emily. Hello, Velpy. Also, I didn't say. Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, hey, maybe this is the trailers who like catapult me into the DF media sphere. Trust the process. Oh yeah, yeah. I will take any Max Slender though. Max is doing good. Max is doing good work behind the scenes as most admins, by the way. But yeah, Max has I think expressed that he's not really content with media anymore. But I'm not sure. All I know is Verstappen. Oh my god. Do, 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 do. Maximization. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, well, it feels weird that I just announced this and then I just go back to doing shit on the game. But yeah, that's what's coming in an hour 30. I've worked hard on it. I hope you guys like it. It's a very short trailer. Don't get your hopes up for like a long watch. It's more of a teaser than anything, but you should be able to like get plenty of features out of it. Anyway, yeah. I think we'll close out the stream with the trailer, right? And then what can we do? I think we'll wait a little bit. We'll just keep coding some stuff for tonight. I think keep coding on this plot, get some progress going. Okay, so what did we need to do? Quick void def is a pretty good one. I reckon that for that we can probably just put it on move, right? Like on play or move. It's probably the best way to do it. Yeah. Okay. So if the status is wait, what? What's been thought about Belpy? On God, yes. Quite peak. Daft Punk. Like oh wait, hold on. No, yeah. The thing with Daft Punk and like with every DJ out there, do you guys know that like one of the biggest exports of France is DJs? They're all French. David Guetta, Daft Punk, Kavinsky, uh, Martin Garrix, just a ton of other ones. DJ Snake. There's. I just learned this recently. There's a crap ton of French DJs that they're legitimately all French. Yeah, for real. Okay, and then I think we just want to check if the y coordinate is below 0, right? God damn, yeah, for real. Okay. So, I think for this, I think we might get away with just doing that, right? You call player def.void, player.def with void as the reason, right? That's what you pass. Let's give a shot to this. See how that works. And then I think what we want to do, since we don't want players to die when the game has ended, is we'll make it so when the game has ended and the player fall in the void, we'll just like bounce him back up. Which we could also do for totems, by the way. That could be fun. What? Do I not reset the jump thing? That's weird. Oh yeah. I can't remember who asked this the other day, but yeah, you can place command blocks and the like. I did this by like replacing the item with a barrier and disguising it as the command block here. Okay, and it does make it so you die instantly. Okay, that's good. So that's one thing done. Oh, we can move on to name tags after this. The tragic lore behind Mace Roulette. A long time ago, the holy mace reigned over the land. Hey, wait a second. Yeah, didn't wasn't there like last time when we joined? Wasn't there like a doomsday thing going on? What was that about? What's the mace thing? I'm afraid I'm not. I don't know where to look. What's the event? Oh, 2 hours ago, so it's over. But what was the event about? The stream is ADHD heaven, so true. Oh yeah. Anyway, where were we looking? We're going to do, I think, what was it? Just like name tags, or did I have something I wanted to do beforehand? Oh yeah, the bouncing thing. Yes. So for Void Death, Revenge of the Maze bots. Ah, nice. That's really nice. Okay, so you don't immediately want to do player.death. What you wanted to scan for is that the game status is in game first. If it's not, then you just want to launch up. I posted this. Wait, what? Oh, is it the Mace event thing? Wait, what the fuck did you just send me? Is it the Mace thing? Ah, wait, MC Play guy did a stream on it. Nice. Okay, I'll watch it on stream. Hold on. There's Mace streamers out there. Yeah, for real. Okay, so I think what we can do is that if the player is holding, can you do that? Does that check for like, wait. I saw the description. In their hand, but like either hand, yes, okay. We could check for a totem, I guess. Yeah. MC Playing has been focusing a lot on Mace content. So if they're holding a totem, I don't know what we'll do, but yeah, we can do stuff. And here we can do player.dev with void. And for this, I think the issue is no, yeah, okay. I know what we'll do. I think I just want to like apply infinite damage. Like this. Actually, you know what? Neat way to do it. You apply damage, maximum health. That should work. And you launch up. That should be fine. You do this, then what you do is, I think what you want to like add a cooldown on this. Like this. No, there you go. If item is not on cooldown. Because otherwise it might like... wait, no, so you don't want to add the cooldown here. Oh. You wanted to add it beforehand like this. because you don't want the player to like die right after the totem's been popped. So you add a cooldown here of I don't know. I get repeating command block. I think we used command block for something before. So if there's no cooldown here, we can do this and we can apply a cooldown for a second. Right, and I think that should be okay for having a totem. So let's give it a shot. See if that works. Okay, so let's give myself a totem of undying. Let's put that in the offer and see if that works. Definitely not. The fuck? Oh, because it's going to cancel. Yes. Crap. Okay, so we need to add something here of like uncanceling if the player's holding a totem, right? If is holding, come on, in either hand a totem, then I think you just break this, right? Which means the code runs as intended. Should be fine. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay. Oh, hidden items. Fuck. All right, so we got it here. Why does it still kill me? Fucking hell. Okay, let's restart without the hidden items just so I can make sure that I actually equip the totem. Ah, yes, because it's not the same item. Wait, okay, no, that's actually good. The yes, you're right. I need to check item material. Oh my god. But you have like a split second to get back on top. It's pretty good, I think. Like, I think that nerfs the totem a little bit rather than TPing you back. Okay, so let's change the function. You're right, hidden items does break it. So let's make it into a function. Player dot holds totem. And let's get true as a variable. Say 0 for 0 if false, 1 if true. Okay. So what we're going to do here is probably pretty simple, right? We just set this to 0. And you do items equal with material only. That's not overcomplicated. With the main hand and the offhand. You get a totem. And there, what you do is this. And this should be good. So once you've done that, you go back to where I did the holding thing, which I forgot. So let's do if player is holding. There we go, take damage. You want to call this function. Player dot holds totem. True. Check if that's equal to 1. And you're good to go. And then you want to do that again for the move. Over there. Player dot holds totem. And let's check it again. Let's actually try and make the jump, see if it's possible. No modifiers. I should like force hidden items to test it, but honestly, it's going to work, I think, so. No need to test. Overconfident death syndrome, holy shit. Yeah. So let's do that, and then let's, No, it's actually goaded that this exactly lands here. That's pretty nice. Let's try and make the jump. That's so good. I can't even jump. Yeah, I need to fix that. Ugh. Yeah, I think it's like if it detects it a second too late, it's not going to work. All right. So, wait, this is Rick and Morty? I just noticed. Oh yeah, it's the thing for like the end of season whatever 6. I don't even remember. The one with the Beths. Anyway, okay. Let's take a second. What did I want to fix? This should flip Y velocity. No, it launches you up by 100, which is why it's so neat that it lands exactly right. Okay, so we had an issue with the freeze thing. I think it's mostly that I forgot to switch the tag. How much you want to bet? Yep, exactly. All right, let's see how that looks. After we're done with this specific thing, the instant death. Oh, we actually made it okay already. Yeah, once we're done testing here, yes, that's good. No, because you reach terminal velocity, so I don't think it's going to matter too much. The CP song? What? Elaborate. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Yeah. All right, let's put on this Mace event thing. I'm curious about it now. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Fuck, wait, hold on. How the fuck do I do this? I'm such a fucking boomer, holy shit. Alright, that's the one now. Maze roulette. Okay, hold on, fuck, I need to put this at the bottom. Oh! The commentary is a bit... Oh yeah, pause music, sorry. Yo, what? This is actually. This is kind of hype. Dude, you get 10 moon points from this. Oh, you can't hear the vid. Fuck. Okay, wait, hold on. But it's okay. It's just like sound. Like it's a bunch. It's a bunch of wind charges, and it's like this guy commenting on it. I'm just watching the Mace event that Flopsu mentioned earlier. Okay, so is it just going to be this? Oh no, there's like a cutscene and shit. Dude, what the fuck? These are some nice effects. Okay, I'm gonna fix the. Okay. I'll add a sound catcher. What do you mean skipping the entire thing? I didn't skip the entire thing. It was just going to. It was just the reinforcements. All right, you guys hear this?
The secret weapon.
The secret weapon.
Oh my god, bro. What we really needed was the goat. Oh man. Goat? But that's a camel, bro. That's a camel. That's what I'm saying, bro. Oh my god. Dude. Bro, this is crazy. Gulp. He says gulp. He says gulp. We're making eye contact. Give me a reel.
Yeah,
she said
damn.
The thing. He said the thing. Oh.
Holy cutscene.
Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god. Okay, he's aura farming. Bro is aura farming. I'll give you a real challenge. Oh my god. Now, what? Oh, hello?
God damn.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay,
it's
he
like
got a
buggy
kill.
A little bit. Okay, never mind.
No one has done this before. He said the thing.
You put in some.
He splits. He
You put in
splits
some
into
real
two.
fucking work. Holy
Gets
shit.
both kills at the same time, bro. Who is talking to me? Who is talking to bro? Oh, don't forget me. And he's gone. He's gone. My twin is gone. Dude. How's he doing that thinking emoji? Oh my god, bro.
That's
Dude.
kind of fucking cooking. I can't lie.
Uh-oh. You thought this was
What
over,
the
right?
fuck?
Aura farming and everything. Uh-oh.
Dude, how long did you spend making this? This is
mace you have.
this is peak.
There's got to be at least 100 moons. What do I say in this? It's lighter, it's brighter, sharper, and it's cleaner. Of course. Of course, bro. No. No, it's not. Knock it out of my hands, bro. I don't get the mace. It's gone.
Bro, the chat reactions are killing me also.
Get out.
That's really cool.
Falling. It's falling. My guitar mace. It's gone. The guitar mace, I can't do anything. I need a new mace.
Are they going to forge a fucking mace?
New mace. And this is where you guys come in.
This is real fire, by the way.
Look at that.
What the fuck?
The options have revealed themselves. What do we vote for?
Oh, that's crazy.
What do we vote for? Listen, I'm gonna be honest. First person, I'm voting for the burger
Nah,
mace.
man, that's actually
You see
crazy.
The rat mace? It's alright, right? Look at that. Rat mace, you know, it's just a rat on a stick. Burger mace. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. The calories. Think about the calories.
Mace Roulette
Think
Season
about
2, yeah,
the
on
beautiful
God.
taste. Burger mace, yeah. Yeah.
Now you're actually cooking, Flop.
Come
You're actually
on.
cooking.
Oh my god, bro. This is insane. This is... Yeah! Burger Mace won with 68. Literally the best number. Literally the best number. The shop is now burger. The shop is now
damn.
burger. This one's for the community, bro. You really thought? Come on, bro.
Oh, it gives like a random rank. Oh wait, that's crazy.
Dude, this is insane, bro.
God damn.
This is insane. Who would have thought the burger mace was so powerful? He said the thing. He said the thing, bro. And the camel's in the lobby. And the camel's in the lobby. Oh my god, bro.
That's awesome.
I don't even know what to say, man. Let's purchase the burger. Burger.
Oh,
Burger.
fucking hell, dude.
Okay, equip the burger.
How many skins are there? What the fuck?
Burger. Burger.
What the
Okay,
fuck?
equip the burger. Where's
How many
Bro,
cosmetics do you have?
burger?
Jesus Christ. Loki forgot I was even streaming, I'm not gonna lie. This is some fucking quality content. Great job, Flop. Real nice. Real nice. Dude, this is... Just this content is overshadowing the entire fucking announcement I'm gonna do. Great job, Ghost. Oh my god. Great job. That looks... That's absolutely stunning. Yeah, damn. All right, back to coding my winky little, fucking scrawny little pillars of fortune. Oh my god. Well, okay. Dude, okay, wait. So this happened like earlier today, and now I'm trying to make an announcement myself. Wait, but why? Why did it? Okay, hold on. That's the thing I was thinking of. Why did this not appear like anywhere in Diamond Fire announcement or something? The fuck? POF live event true. Yeah, for real. You gotta cook something. Both versus tournament could also go hard, yes, but I would need to make it like lobbied. Quick animation to both versus. I think we saw it last night on stream, the countdown for the Mace event. I don't regret missing it because it was definitely an event meant more for like the Mace players. I'd have been a little confused with the whole thing. I think. Yeah, it was a bit underground. Yeah, that's true. It was an event like mostly centered around MC Play guys. So yeah, it makes sense. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah. You know what? Let's put on some Living Tombstone. Yeah, but it's a really fucking good event. Congratulations, Flop. This is hyper than shit from like Fortnite. The shot of the mace bots like being under the thing, absolutely peak. Put the CP on them. No, what the fuck? Okay, yeah. So, what you know when you like look at something so fucking awesome and then like you go back and you. Oh my god, bro. I'm like, okay, let's go name tags. No, but really, I'm not trying to make it about this floor after this because this shit is really good. We're back to this now. Yeah, that's kind of it. True, but to be fair, you know, I imagine that it must have been pretty annoying to code this also the cutscene for Flop. So you know, I say to myself, he suffered through this also. Or have you like delegated the coding now, Flop? Or do you still do the coding yourself, or is it like as the business been too booming? Did you? I seem to recall you, the cosmetics. You've you've delegated. Some people like make the effects now, right? At least I think. I'm not sure. I heard of. I think I say this because at some point I took a support session with somebody that was like asking me for help for a Mace Roulette cosmetic, like designing it. So well, not like the support help wasn't for designing it, but like it was for like a specific thing they wanted to with display entities. So yeah, do you like upload cosmetics or by any chance something? I think there's like offers on the cosmetics. I haven't spent enough time on Mace Roulette to know. Anyway, yeah, let's focus on name tags before I just spend the entire night discussing about Mace Roulette. But yeah, show this to anybody that says like show this to the part of the community that says that like Mace Roulette is slop or something. These motherfuckers just wrong. Yeah, it's Essie. Right, let's work on the name tags, right? So I think what we might want to do is ready for tomorrow. Okay, I'll put it on. I'll put it on. Let me just like actually put the living tombstone like as the actual thing. Who's ready for tomorrow? Some more of that song. Okay. Some more of that song. What is this like? Just doing the fucking playlist. I need to like set up a bot, I think, to do this for me. I just don't know how to do it. Okay. Working as a part-time DJ on God. Right. So I think the way we want this to go then is to like when you do play dot in it. What do you mean? No, no. I'm gonna ban you from the fucking chats. What did Fox do to stream? Stop calling me out! I haven't been too active. This is what I've done. This is what I've done. Look. It's just that it's not been a very active. Oh, you just got here. Wait, we're doing. We're not releasing, but there's a trailer for Vault versus 2.0 coming in 1 hour. But we watched the Mace Roulette live event. You did fucking. Uh, oh no, I'm not trying to be depressed. 3 pod. Okay. So in the player init thing, right? So true. This is no longer CP, by the way. Yeah, whatever. Fuck it. Let's put on. I really want to stay at your house. No, Rafi, you can't call this slop. It was actually peak. I'll let you watch it on your own, though. I think the link is earlier in chat. I don't really fuck with this kind of with I don't know what it's called, but this kind of song. I'm sorry. I'm gonna skip because I know that this is coming afterwards. Oh, the music's not loud enough. Yeah, there you go. Right. So I don't know if we want an entity system for the name tags, or if we just like spawn it like that. I don't think we just spawn it like that because No, I'm not putting on DA Games. DA Games is not coming this time. We might be able to, like... let's see. Where is it? Matt, my god! Hello! How are you? Good to see you, and hello to Katya as well. Where the fuck is it? Am I blind? It's over there. We're revisiting the relic. Because I think I had an entity system on there, right? No. Wait, hold on. There's like an entity loop, right? Entity loop. That's mostly what I need. Let's make it like a takeaway package. Wait, who's Casey in that like specific context? Is it Katya, or is it somebody else? What the fuck? Never do that again. Oh my god. Okay, let's do a takeaway package for like the entity system, right? So we got the entity loop. It's like spawn entity and shit. Entity.spawn. That's the one, right? Oh, for fuck's sake, this one's got like the abstract class thing. TheFoxPlush at the homeless shelter. Oh, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Talk about the new follower. Yeah. No, I will not. I will not slander the mates for that event. It actually cooked. Do you want me to raid the homeless shelter for some money to subscribe to you? What the fuck, brother? No. You should just look up the stream, Rafi. Okay. Anything else in terms of entities here? I think I somewhat remember how this system worked. We can try. That's Katya. Hello, Katya. Thanks for subscribing. Travis Scott. You know what? That's the only thing that was missing. Okay. Is my stuff on Note 7 as well? Yes, it is. 3D peak. Okay. Travis Scott base. Oh my god. Okay. Well, we can just set this up, right? I reckon that this is going to work. Oh fuck, entity check spawn. That's the one I forgot. I should have checked. No. Okay. Fuck it. I say her name so funny, really? From peak to peak on that playlist. Thank you. Entity check spawn. That's the one. Just watching that there's no like other function I'm forgetting. Okay, we're good. Rafi, no? I guess just going to laugh at my accent all fucking night. That's the deal. Okay. Let's see. I think there's entity check spawn here, which is like, yeah, it calls with the delay. So let's say that one as well. It says Rafi. Yeah, that's no. Rafi 14. No. Peach or lemon iced tea. Peach is kind of cooking. I kind of like peach. That's not an ender chest, by the way. Wait, why am I looking for an ender chest? I got one right there. Okay. I also had one in the background. I just noticed. Anyway, it's fine. Okay, and the chest. Also, I don't know who placed this. This is like a entity treasure pool chest. But yeah, okay. The baguette is very tasty. Why is one called check spawn and the other one check spawned? I'm gonna rename this. Entity.check spawned. Power play drinking tea at 1 a.m. Is it 1 a.m. for you guys? Okay, so this should be my entity system. Let me actually like sum up what I just added, because otherwise it's a bit bullshitty, right? Basically, this is a system that oh fuck, I guess I forgot the class in it for this. Oh no. So I gotta fix that up before I say anything. Game.entity. No, actually let's make it stay game entity here, right? Fuck. No, we'll just call it game entity. It's fine. It's not a really good name because you could confuse it with game.entity, which is what? I will not take the European slander. Anyway. Yeah, so game entity is fine. Basically, what this does is that you need to like link entities with classes. It's a whole thing, but basically the crux of the system is that it respawns your entity if it finds out that it's missing, right? You know how it is. No, I'm not going to play DA games. I look, my username may be based on FNAF, okay, but I grew up since then. He says as he's playing Living Tombstone, by the way, but you know. Okay, how much you want to bet that the song coming up next is like some FNAF stuff? Abysmal timing. Abysmal fucking timing. But it's such a good song. I can't even be mad. Okay. I have to take a little break though. Quick seconds. So hold on. I'll take a quick break, then I'll create the name tags. Okay, hold on. I'll leave the song in the background, don't worry. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're back. Oh, I gotta lower the music. All right. Yeah, dying on fire. More like dying on fire. Oh my god. For real. Oh shit. Yeah, I so it didn't like immediately send. Ah yes, I have. It didn't immediately send in chat. It got like it got moderated. Don't worry. I'm gonna like ban the guy, of course. But I authorized the message because I thought it was really fucking funny that we got one. Let me actually hop on the thing to like disable it. You got flagged? No. Okay. Oh fuck. Yeah, no, I can't. Yeah, okay. Well, I won't be able to ban this guy. It's funny anyway, so it's fine. Oh, never mind. Red did it already. All right, my goat. Okay. Well, let's get back to it. We imported the entity system to be able to do the name tags. So what I'm going to do is that in the generic start thing, actually, you know what? Let's include something called a name tag thing. Oh wait, I know what I'm putting on next. Wait, hold on. What is it called? It's like Cursed Woody sings a song. Calm down, Woody. We're your friends. I don't know if you guys know about this. It's actually so fucking funny. No, it's. Oh my god. Oh, it fucking DDoS the stream. This fucking song. Oh yeah, sorry. Let me authorize the message. Shut up, Buzz. I'll kill you. Okay. I called it name tag, right? What's that one like Instagram comment? The fucking like the face he does when he says not this time, Bo. You can just feel the pain or something. Is oh my god. Okay. We probably don't even need a class, right? Actually, we yeah. Yeah, we probably don't even need that. We could probably do without by hacking the entity system. But I'm going to keep it because I think I'm going to want to set up some badge stuff, like Rob has in Maze Roulette, but mostly because I wanted to do beta test tags and whatnot. We'll see what we do here, but yeah, we probably don't even need it. So in player.init, we can probably just do entity.spawn. For the ID, we do %default name tag. Actually, wait, no, that's not a variable. It's name tag underscore %default is good. For the type, it's a name tag. For the class, it's a name tag. And for the instance, let's just put %default. Which, okay, you know what? Let's just do the class. We don't know what we'll need for it. Okay, name tag, and let's just do owner. It's so fucking stupid. Let's actually call this no, just percent equal twice. Yeah, this should work. And then let's not forget, by the way, that here we need to call the entity loop. This song is such a brainworm also. What the fuck? Or is this like another song? Okay. No. Not this one. Not this one. No. I put some like old stuff. Like this is good, right? Where am I creating a process here? That's not how it works. You need to do in the entity.spawn thing. Play with evil wood. I gotta play with him, otherwise he'll kill me. He's killing me slow. Okay, come on. So true. Oh yeah, because this one is still called check spawn instead of check spawned. There we go. Spawn entity, that's the format. Oh, where else? Now this comes from inside. Who's this Kill 8 guy? Yeah, I know, right? Oh, hello, Nikita. Good to see you. We have an announcement, Nikita, in 45 minutes. Well, we don't have the announcement. We know what's coming, but I'm going to show the trailer for my for the patch, the new patch for my game Vol Versus. Okay, entity spawn dot name tag here. Let me just take another quick look, one last quick look at Northern Reaches here. Ah, yeah. Glad you think so. Entity and lock, yeah. I keep wanting to like join Bolt Versus by force of habit of coding on there. Yes, you did. Okay. Right, so the log here is not needed. As in me and you. Right, so we don't actually want a location to be fetched to this. We'll just make a new one by selecting the player. Oh, there's probably a hacker on Maze Roulette from the sounds of it. Okay. No. Like this, yeah. You want to take the location of the player. What are you excited for the most in the upcoming DF patch? The shenanigans that you'll be able to pull with 1.21.11. Let's actually look real quick at what the patch's gonna add, because I really don't know. Banner actions, yes, it's really good. That's a really good one. We've got add trade remove trade for villagers. That could be fun. We could use that for this, by the way. Yeah, a whole bunch of villagers stuff. Let's see, banner actions, get all items actions. That's what we need for this. Oh, banner actions with acts from the patch. Too bad. Let's see. Seeded random generators is something we'll need. Is VB going to work on 1.21.11? We'll find out. But I'll take tomorrow to like debug it with the squad. Yeah, okay, I see. Yeah. So no like chat mentions, inbox, potion effect events, etc. Is it just a branch with the world plots? Wait, shit. So everything was axed. Oh, come on. That's too bad. Would have been fun. Okay. We'll still be able to do stuff with the 1.21.11 thing. It's just Mario Kart. Okay. So for this, I think we just want to do this. And then like we'll do the health on this afterwards, I think. Let's see. Okay, let's just do send people for now. We'll see if we want to tweak stuff later on. Oh, I think we can just do this, right? The utility.basic text display. Yeah, let's go. Let's put this here, and I think we want to make it ride entity with the player UID. Actually, we could just like put the player here, right? So the player is going to be game entity dot percent var entity dot owner. No. Dot instance, because it corresponds to the thing. Should be fine. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, I'm not surprised. Why does it break? Where's the call function? The call function is this one. Oh, it's meant to be a variable. Gotcha. So entity ID. Or like call it name tag ID if we need it. Let's call it percent default name tag entity. Good. And that way, when the player leaves, and that's another one I forgot to do. Let's see. I can just do entity.remove with the name tag thing. Yeah. What's that one? No, I don't really like that one. You have to hand it to the absolute code. Okay. So entity.remove. Yeah. It's pretty simple code, but let's just grab it anyway. I should package this someday, put it into code vault, I think. Could be fun. Because what? Okay. Why didn't I leave the ender chest? Also, the false save from mode is throwing me off. Okay. Entity.spawn. Let's add this here. Yeah, we just fetched the entity thing. So this is just to remove the name tag. Okay. Well, you've got an announcement in Diamondfire announcements to put to for the trailer that's coming in 40 minutes. Okay, well, I guess there's going to be more people on, perhaps. Okay. I'm fake surprised I got in touch with the lecture sort. Most mates roulette. No. This is not a competition. We're not playing in the same league. There's no shorts of Vault versus, as far as I know. It's not a dedicated Vault versus YouTube. Okay. So let's see how that looks. error creating class game entity does not exist. What? Why? Oh, did I not create the game entity class? Okay. I guess I have to fucking find it here because I can't remember the attributes, right? Over... Where the fuck? I'm getting so confused. I hope that he used the screamer as like a... You know, a thing. Okay, game entity... Wait, you know what? There's just like print screen. I don't even care. Roulette game. You mean like a fusion of murder game and Maze Roulette? What is that? Oh, it's like the Rick and Morty. Oh my! Oh, this is a banger. This is an actual banger, by the way. Just so you know, I found this again recently. I think. Let's see if I find the other one I consider like an underrated banger. Yeah, it's not even in there. That's how you know it's truly underrated. No, 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 no. This is the best Baldi's Basic song. And then afterwards, you'll see, like, in my opinion, the most underrated Living Tombstone song, but it's like his best. Okay, I see. Okay, over there. All right, let's do this. Class.init, and then let me copy from this. Half of the stream is just copying from Northern Reaches. Okay, so game entity UID type class instance. See? And there's no name tag. Where the fuck is the name tag? I'm not gonna play your mind. It's not happening. We got all these basics on the line. No, okay, so it doesn't work. I'm kind of wondering about why this doesn't work. Does it spawn too far away? Well, let's see. Spawned text display at the location. Never calls it. Okay. Does the entity loop? Yeah, it does run, so that's weird. Could it be that this is wrong? It shouldn't, right? Game entity. Game entity 1 is my name tag. And the instance is equal to the TheFoxPlush. Oh, I guess I didn't put anything in the select, is it? 5% people. No, this doesn't work like that. Okay. There we go. So in there and in there. But then the problem remains that it doesn't get called. Okay. Why does it not get called? Entity loop is running, so we know that this is correct. It's just that entity underscore spawn dot name tag in the way that's called. So this should get called. We get to this. Yeah, this one. Squid Melody is Living Tombstone's best work, and nobody thinks about it when you think about like goated Living Tombstone songs. It's really goated. Oh, is stream dead? Never mind. Low key agreed. That's how you know I cooked. Don't know who GD Edsa is. Yeah, the lyrics are so fucking good too. Did I call it Entity Spawn instead of Spawn Entity? Is that it? The rename of shame. Come on, why does it not get called? This is the problem when you import systems, by the way. Oh, it checks if the location is loaded. Okay. So I do need it to be like a thing. All right. We could just like set the player's own location. Where is it? Over there. Half an hour for the big announcement. Yes, indeed. Well, not the big announcement. The big announcement realizes itself, I guess. Okay. Over there then. I think we could just. I think this should spot it. Yeah. Okay. Finally, Jesus. So, yeah. Completely works. Oh, yes, the latest song. I haven't listened to the latest album. This one is cooking. Right, so it's a bit inside the player. We need to add a vertical translation. I'm gonna be so excited. Oh god. Yeah, I'm hyped for you guys to see this. Not ashamed to say it. Okay. Just put on the shrug already. I'm gonna put on the fucking AU Megalovania stuff. Okay. 0.3 maybe. Fishy love. Now there's a guy who knows ball. Tokyo Mania. Okay. I'm putting it on. I'm going back in 2016, was it? Holy peak. Tokyo Vania. Jesus Christ. I'm not putting on Fishy Dog though. It's like I think I revisited it not too long ago. Goated. Absolutely goated. Okay. This is too high above now. Let's make it 0.2 instead. Right, and that's going to be our base for like a custom name tag. So this does mean that the name tags of spectators are also visible. I'm going to leave it that way for now. What I want to do though is later on when you let me actually do that right now. Actually, there's no good reason not to do it. I want to add like hearts, player's hearts to the name tag. So I think the best way that we can do that is just use the large heart here. Let's see. Let's see how we want to do that. I'm sure there's like a good way. So we can do name tag dot update, right? And let's take in the player's name like this. Yeah. Oh, actually, let's not do that. Let's just use percent default. We'll call it on the player. It's completely fine. So, for this, what do we want to do? For this, what we want to do is you want to grab the UID of the name tag, which isn't easy, but if we look here, we have percent default name tag entity. For fuck's sake. Okay, percent default name tag entity here is going to give us the game entity equivalent, which we can then do game entity dot this dot UID, which is going to grant us the UID of the actual name tag. So, where's my tombstones? No. I'm keeping this on for now, but tombstones after, don't worry. I can select entities like this, right? This is going to work. And then we can display the text here. Now, let's do nametag.text here. Or actually, maybe we want to call this with the text. This is probably good. And then this makes it be text, right? So fucking goated. I used to listen to this all the time in like 2018. Hello, Tommy. I'm doing name tag stuff. So, when the player joins, where is it? Game.join, yeah. We want to update name tag.update. Maybe what we could do is like make it so text is optional here. Trust the process. And then if the variable is not defined, then we can call another function called nametag.text. And then for nametag.text, what you want to do, sorry, let me think a little bit. Maybe we do want the player to be called here, because I'm thinking that when we, oh wait, no, but damage is it's not necessary. And for nametag.text, same deal. Let's do results. Let's get text as the variable here. But basically, by default, this is going to be the player name. And then, if the player is in game, that's not how you check that. I'm getting tired. I need to go to sleep after this. If the player is in game, then, also let's pause this at the end. Then you append a line break. I add a little bracket here to like for it not to become the little character, because I think that's a bit not neat. And then the health. Crazy coding login on Tokyo Mania. So how do we want to do the health? That's kind of the thing, right? Let's call it percent default name tag health, and we'll define it before that. Oh yeah, that's the outro of like another song. No, let's skip. No. Oh, drunk is a good one. Okay, I'm gonna align some bangers. There's not many like big Tombstone songs left. Holy fucking no mercy. Wait, this one is a good one also. All right. So let's do that. And then I guess you can just like update the health. Better than usual, I'm feeling indisputable. Right, name tag or health here it should be on tech damage. I'm trying to think a little bit about how I want to do this. Okay, so we want to do it here, right? Okay, wait, let's put it after, but let's check if this is not true. So just so that we don't like end here. Right, and then you do name tag dot health, and we'll see what we want to do after this. But basically, it's just like to compute the health thing. So we do want to round up the health here. Trying to figure out how I want to code this also, but yeah, we round it, probably ceiling, and then let's see, heart color we'll set as the actual heart color. So what is that? Of course. All right, let's take it like this. Color picker, what is that color? FF1313. All right. And I'm wondering if I'm still breathing. Because I want to change this color if the player has so poison, wither. What hot colors are there anyway? There's poison, wither, freezing. He isn't soft coding. Oh yeah. All right. Has potion effect. This one's a banger. You know what? Let me just pull up the texture on the side. The texture of the hearts. Oh wait, it's not even a sheet anymore. It's like some stupid fucking sprite. It's not good. HUD heart. All right, so there's absorbing, there's frozen, there's poison, there's withered. Yeah, that's it. All right, what's the withered heart color? Okay, withered heart color is this one. That's definitely not what that corresponds to. Okay, let's all right, so this will get poison. Does this actually get the poison? Yeah, good. All right, what does the poison heart look like? Doors, so many questions. I don't know why I'm spending too much time doing this, by the way, because we're going to be able to just use the sprites themselves once once the um once the patch comes out, right, for 1.21.11. Anyway, we could just like change the character here after. It should be fine. It's the same principle. So fucking good. All right, pre-sticks should be here if they're above 0. I think it is. No. And do we want to check if there's like absorption health? Okay. Come on. Yeah, I guess we could check if there's like absorption health. So you check if the player has absorption. Pot get absorption. And as such, you put the color as golden or something. So yeah, this is like how to do a competent health system. If you want to like display the health. Collecting cookies is a really good one. Okay. Over there. Alright, so that's the hot color. Let's add this thing. Is there a cookie clicker song? If you're asking that, you don't know about peak. If max health is 2, which means that you'd be in like the hardcore mode. God damn it. Then I think we can just set this to be like set this to be 0, right? Oh, actually, maybe we can do that later on after we fuse them, so that there's no like space. Let's do that later. Okay, so we've got the hot color here. Jackson, yeah. Then we can do percent default name tag health and name tag health flashing. This would be percent default health space heart color. Heart color here, and we could just use one of these. Where is it? It's over there. And we're going to use the shadow like in Northern Reaches, so that we may do some cool stuff with that. And the flashing thing is just going to be shadow white. All right, that's good. That's really good. And then we can do our little shenanigan that we wanted to do. Oh, actually, no, let's leave it like that, to be fair, because the shenanigan I wanted to do is that when you're in hardcore mode, it doesn't like show your health. It just shows the heart. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, yeah, name tag thing here. I think what we want to do then was it still attainment too? Oh yeah. All right, let's do like a separate tag here. I think stream might be dying. No, okay, no, it's fine. We might switch from Tombstone now. All right, let's put on peak. You know what? I'm just gonna put on TheFox. It's fine. This is an animation meme song. It's got a really good animation over it. Okay, health. Make it 0 by default. And if it's equal to 1, then I think we can like return texts to be this. It's a bit of a janky system, but you know, it is what it is. To be this and the flashing version. Shit. God damn it. Oh yeah, you cannot visualize things with new lines in there anymore, right? That's also a thing. Okay, yeah, no. I need to add the bracket stuff. All right, you want to end here, I think. Return, I say. So you pass this. Sinking town, interesting. This should work, right? Yep. And it should give us a list of texts. I'm just gonna put TheFox for like the end of the stream. Okay. Let me also like bring up the page. This still syncs up with this one, yeah? Okay. Do you think I can search for it? Is it even gonna like appear? That's the announcement, by the way. There we go. So premiere in 10 minutes. I hope it doesn't like reveal it. No, okay, never mind. 8 minutes. All right. What the? Okay. Let's try and finish this code before then. What was I doing here? Yeah, so there's the health thing. Intake damage. Let's do that. Name tag dot updates. Just as like a separate thing. Speed coding. So name that health. What? Okay, whatever. So texts here and health as 1. We do want to update the health beforehand. Name tag dot health. Oh, can't CMC. Fuck. Sorry. There you go. Text 1 here, and I think you want to repeat 4 times. All right, come on, quick. Text, you want to oscillate between the two. So you do %math, %var I, modulo 1 plus 1. If we do it like this, how's it going to end? It ends on 4. 4 modulo 1 is 0. Plus 1 is 1. It ends on the first one. Let's go. Okay, that's good. And you do name tag dot update. And that's going to do a flashing heart. Hopefully. It's I spawned. I did it too fast. So what the fuck? Why did it create two of them? There are two things now. Okay, whatever. It's fine. Perfect song. Wait, hold on. We're we're cooking. No. Oh shit! Wait, hold on. Oh, for fuck's sake! Go for it. It's not a good value. Why? Why is it not a good value? What is it? What's the value? I'm not cooking at all. Over 6 human goat blocks. I'm gonna be so disappointed if it doesn't work. Stop killing me modifiers. That's not the time. Let's launch instantly. Is that not correct? This shit got me hyped up. Holy. That's completely correct, no? Do I need to like pass it? Did I not pass it here? Oh shit, it's this. Alright, whatever. We got it! We got it, but for some reason there's no flashing. So yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, well, too late. We have a health system at least, I guess. So let's remove that send message. We'll do the flashing right after the thing. For real. All right, let's get ready for that. Four minutes. Can I put it in full screen, or I have never like seen a premiere in my life, so I really don't know. I guess I'll just watch it here with the chat. All right, let's see. Quick, let's find a Deltarune song to put in the background. Let's put the peak. While we wait. All right, you guys better all do this, by the way. Who's the fucking video? Come on. Oh yeah. Coding final boss. Oh my god, can you imagine? You test the thing, it doesn't work. Roaring Knight on the mic. I'm the Roaring Knight. You know it's this. You know the one with Dax. Fucking. I'm Shadow Freddy. Do you know what I'm talking about? Nightmare Freddy. Fuck yeah. You're right. Yeah, for real. Absolutely. What does he say? Oh, Nightmare Freddy. No, I think he says Shadow Freddy because I'm Shadow Freddy. I'm black and cool or something. I don't know. Hold up, break. All right. This is when you start like actually cooking and your systems actually start to work. It's when you get the idea. While you're coding. Clock strikes 12. Midnight arrives. Oh, that's not even specified in there, actually. There is like a nerf specified in there for something, but you'll see. Maybe we can move the chat like a tiny bit up for this. All right. No, okay, let's leave Big Shot until it's the fuck is this so loud? What? Why is it so fucking loud? What the fuck is going on? Holy shit. With the fucking big shot in the back. Okay, yeah, this was so loud. Thank God my fucking my stream is back just in the nick of time. My fucking Wi-Fi cut out. Okay, whatever. Alright, let's watch it. And the cooldown's longer than a trailer. This is like a fucking Nintendo Direct, by the way. I don't know why it made it premiere. I don't know, man. I'm never gonna use the live stream starting again. Corporation ass trailer. Is the audio desynced? The audio is desynced. Fuck! Shit!
This is most disturbing.
Least cursed washroom. Okay, let's actually run this again. Holy shit. Okay, hold on. Let's actually like run this properly. I think I must have it open in another tab, I think, probably. Yes, I did. Okay, that's why. Alright, let's actually watch it this time. It's a pretty short trailer, but yeah, it just showcases what's new for the patch.
Let's look at the fun.
You also get Mr. TV Time Fox here. Alright.
This is most disturbing.
Anyway, yeah. Short trailer, but yeah, it's meant to be more of a teaser than anything. Yeah, the premiere was way too much frosting. Anyway, yeah, that's kind of overcooked it a little, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, yeah. Okay. Premiere 4 times the length of the trailer. It's so true. Yeah, okay, I'm not doing Premiere for this kind of stuff again. Oh yeah. But yeah, it was nice to release it, I guess. Nice to release it. I'm glad. So it's coming on the on Saturday. Coming straight for your house. Pepper DF announcement probably. No, there already is a DF announcement. Thank you, 3-4 for subbing. Chops Ninja. Aye. Okay, yep. Forgot about this. Yeah, okay. Well, that's the trailer. So yeah, we're doing just to summarize, we're doing the 2-team mode and 8-team mode, which was fun to code, to say the least. We're doing 4 new maps cooked by Anjay, who's not here right now, but yeah, mostly cooked by Anjay, I think. The most white bread feminist ever. Yeah. You don't really play any other MC servers, to be fair. TK1 by Toasty Toes, yeah, it's pretty good. We have the new cosmetic system and a new cosmetic so you can, taunt your opponents with the quick chat and whatnot. And yeah, tons of stuff like that. How do I get the more legendary? You gotta loot it. You gotta do the looting crates. Oh, you know what could be fun? Maybe on the day before the game comes out, we could do a live stream of the team of the gang of beta testers playing it. That could be fun. Yeah, so if you guys want to watch the trailer, here it is. I'm gonna put it in the chat. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so let's finish up this. Let's put on Big Shot to not. Dude, I can't believe my fucking Wi-Fi went up at 11 p.m. 58. Jesus Christ. Okay, so let's see about this flashing thing. Why does it not flash? That's my question now. Alright, so it does say 0 here. I think it's because I don't do the name tag help thing. Oh, wait. Too high. Can you please make your stream louder? Is it too loud? Tim wants to be flashed. Actually, wait, hold on. Let me lower it on my end instead. Holy fucking freedom motif. Make a new reference. Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't flash. That's kind of weird. I made it even quieter. You want the music to be louder? Wait, can't you like up the volume on your end? Because mine is like in the reds almost for the mic. You want me louder? I think it's a problem on your end, no? Let's see, hold on. Alright, microphone array. I'm already at 100. No, just make the Twitch window louder. Okay, let's get to this. I made it modular 1. This is why you shouldn't like code super fast. Hopes and dreams, though. Hopes and dreams is for figuring out what the actual code actually is. Okay, so let's fix the game join one also. I think maybe in game tag update, if the variable does not exist, you want to do name tag help. Game is run on hopes and dreams. Oh yeah, text here. That's why. Okay, gotcha. I'm still proud of that animation for the modifiers. I think that's gonna hold up pretty good. Okay. What the fuck? Why does it glitch out? What? Is it like not the right... The fuck? No, wait. Because I got... Oh shit. Oh, I made it teleport to 5. Okay, gotcha. Yep, looks like it. Not sure why. No, I think this is just because of this. Like, this should not be... This should be a string that I turn into a text. Text 2. There you go. Actually, no. This is good enough. All right. Let's make it flash. It does not fucking flash at all. What the hell? Does that flash for anyone? What, did I... What? Why does it not flash? Okay, I'm sending it in chat. Let's make sure. So why? Why doesn't it work? It should be F's, right? Flashes on your end. What? No, it doesn't. No. It's the health shadow that should flash. Like, what the fuck? What's going on here? Why doesn't it change anything? Is the shadow incorrect? Is it? It is shadow, right? I'm old. Name tag health flashing. Yeah. Well, it's not gonna work. Chris, you must know these crystals, they have the power of will. No, that's not the right word. They have the power of. If you know. So true, so true. The giant from Cliffs holds the crystal. The giant has the freedom motif. That's what I told Lisa. Okay. Ah, there you go. It's a bit fast. Should it also shit? How many times does the Minecraft hard flash again? Should flash the hard card too? No, I don't think so. Wait, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And longer on the thing. 4, maybe. Let's also disable the send message because we found out that was correct. Divorced man seems like the most divorced man on earth. I can't wait for him to be peak again in Deltarune. I hope he gets peak again. Because it's a pretty cool character, I think. I think that's accurate, no? Okay, now we just need to add the heal event. and for that to be the same thing. Okay. Flash is a bit more. The my text or the hearts? If it's my hearts, then probably. Yeah. Sprite is gonna be peak. I'm gonna, when the update comes out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the heart color bullshit to be the actual hearts. Okay, call that. Did they actually fucking call it nametag.update? Okay. Call that nametag.damage. Maybe make that repeats 3. Here you want to put repeats times 2. And then on heal, you can do repeats as 1. And name tag damage here. Not no targets though. And I think this should take into account healing now. It's also a test, you know, the hot colors. That could be fun. We'll find out later. Yeah, no knockback and just filler. What was that? Oh yeah, because the heal. Oh shit. Just beef now. Whatever, that's fine. Why the fuck does it repeat like twice? You cooked? What's the joke? I don't get it. Oh wait, is it that you heal continuously, and that's why it breaks? I think that's why. Oh, Sprite. Good one. Very good one. Okay, hold on. How will we compute when there's a big heal and a small heal? I think the way you do it is you can do event heal amount, right? You do previous health. Come on. Previous health is current health, right? And then new health is current health plus the event amount. And you round both. Shit. You round both, and what you do is that if they're not equal, I use the not arrow again, then you do this, and it should be better. I'm gonna have a field always sprite on Disaster Game 3 because I really like screwing with display entities. Yeah. Okay. The head thing too. Yeah, that's gonna be really, really peak. What the fuck? Why does it round up like that? I don't like that. What the fuck? What? Wait, okay, maybe I should make it be like round normally, right? Over there. And then in the name tag dot health, Yeah. That's gonna be really nice. Though I think that you can only link to like active skins, so I don't know how that's going to work out. Um, why the fuck does it say 18 now? What the hell is going on? Wait, I think I know the reason. It's because when you call this, it says current health, yeah, and it's not. It shouldn't be current health. It should be like current health, like the final health, if that makes sense. So maybe what you end up doing very simply is you do this, right? On the damage thing, you just add a weight. It's Death by Glamour again. I don't even care. I'm hoping you can do some bullshit where it maintains the transparency from the skin PNG. Is otherwise lost in the model. I think when you use the character, it actually like only uses the bottom layer, right? Like not the top layer. Okay, so maybe round up is correct, no? No, I think I know what's going on. It's just that the hurt loop cancels, like keeps going, but it shouldn't. So let's do this. Percent default damage flash ID. And we do ID here. Let's do the same system as the old ones. You increment that. And let's also make this like a game dot thing. Otherwise, it's going to accumulate. You want to do this other way around. And then if this is not the case, then you stop. Okay? Hopefully that works. I'm worried that there's like two display entities going on here. I hope that's not the case, but I think that's what's going on. Hopefully not. No, it doesn't fix it. Which is weird. No, okay, it does fix it. That's weird. Okay. And then give best food in the game. See how that heals. Works pretty good, no? It's interesting how it doesn't like instantly do it. So I think maybe round ceiling was correct. Okay. My first one I said I would stop after the after the trailer. We can check off name tags. That's pretty fine. Okay. Shit. Yep, okay, I think it does synchronize. So we got it. That's good. Okay. So while we're at it, let's do the fix for the chest pillar thing. And we can call it a day, probably. And I think just the way you do this is you just call this again, right? I think maybe you only call it on the modifier. So block pillar here. You call game dot starts dot bedrock pillar. Bottom lock is const dot block center. Middle is 1, and this doesn't need to be a thing. And I think you're good to go here. You want to do invis pillar as well. And that should be a pretty instantaneous one. Yes, the special announcement has happened. We've got Vault versus 2.0 coming up on the 24th. You can watch the trailer. It's over there. Can you play We Are Charlie Kirk? No. Also, this isn't going to do anything if I don't force the modifier. So let's do the funny. Let's put the modifier chance at 1. We get all the modifiers. Alright, which one is it? Invisible pillars. Let's see if the chat gets overridden. And yes, it does. Alright. We're good to go. Let's put that back at the normal chances. Peak song. Okay, anything that we could do real quick before we go? Do we want to do hardcore as a modifier? By the way, let me check like these, right? Two times item speed as a potion. What could be a better like speed indicator? When you don't know, just look it up. Soul speed particle? Wow. Speedwagon I saw right over there, by the way. I could honestly just put this, right? Because it's like sugarcane is the... Sugarcane is the thing for sugar, which is the speed ingredient. Is that good? Whatever. I don't care. Let's just do that. Blocks only use bricks. Invisible pillars, barriers is good. This is trash. You want to do this instead? Something like this. This is fine. Yeah, it's fine. This also, this also, this also, this also, this also. Yeah, they're all good. Are there any hearts for heads? Is there a good one? Whoa. Ooh, this is a good one. No, I'm not playing Charlie Kirk. Alright. You'll carry the flame. Okay, let's do a very simple hardcore here. Modify.apply.hardcore. And I think what we want this to do is we just want this to be game.max health. We set this to 2. Right? In game.start, over there, we set this to be 20. Which means that here, we should be able to just like, in player.resets, you also want to set the max health to 20. But then in game.join, you want to set the max health to what's considered the game max health. Okay. So, in game.prepare, let's force the hardcore modifier. It's so peak. It's such a good song. But, you know, I don't need to, like... I don't need to make it... I don't need to, like, advertise it to you guys. This is a really well-known good song of Deltarune. I think when Chapter 5 comes out, if I have the opportunity to, I'm going to play it on stream. Looks good as well. Play figure bits. Why isn't my health one? Even that I cannot do. You know what happened? It's because I must have put the set max health before the reset. You can bet your life on it. Yep. Come on. There you go. Roaring Knight is calling. I should make that my ringtone actually. That could be fun. Okay. Yep. Works. But the health doesn't. Okay, hold on. Let's just do that instead. Let's actually pause the thing. You have this as your ringtone? Peak. So let's modify that to not have the health. Okay. So this should work. All right. And it doesn't work. I didn't put anything in the if variable. I need to go to sleep. You can bet your ass it's over there. Yep. It doesn't max health. What? Where's my Minecraft gone from stream? Yep. Why is it white? What if it still flashes? No? Okay, something's wrong then. Like, why does the heart color break? What's wrong here? Oh, I pass. Why the fuck do I pass? Oh my god. Yeah, this is bedtime. Maybe I could make it so, like, as long as the game isn't started, I do, like, an armor stand that spins around the chest, right? That could work. The thing is, like, I'm trying to think... Yeah, this looks good. This is good. I'm trying to think a bit more long-term and, like, what do I want to do for, you know, lobby stuff? Like, how do I show statistics? How do I make equipable cosmetics and whatnot? I'm mostly trying to think about that as well. Show speed. Like, how do I show speed? That's... Yeah. Show 2 times item speed, you mean? Anyway, I think that's about it, no? Should be good to go. I think next time we might do some of the Jumbotron thing. You know, the modifiers staying on in the background like this. Could be fun. I think that might be where I want to show like leaderboards and stuff, right? Like maybe I don't have I'm a racist. Just okay. Like maybe I don't have any items available for the spectators. But what I can do is like using the Jumbotron idea, like um I don't know how to like show this, but like in the back it like makes the I don't have a sense of humor now. I like show the leaderboards way off in the distance or something. Kind of pollutes the sky a little bit, but I think it could be good. Should I make it adapt to stuff as well? Oh yeah, no, this is going to be a pain to adapt. What is it? 13? Oh, 13 is just the opposite. 800? No, wait. 12. Yeah. Okay, what the fuck? Why does it stay at this angle? Is it a predefined angle? I can't do anything about it. That's kind of weird. It's a pretty fun angle, but I don't think I should be like make it. I'm gonna do it. Okay. I think I'll keep it a clear sky, you know? Like either day or night. Is this the yeah, it's midnight. Midnight with night vision looks kind of good actually. Day and night. Wow. We could actually do something with that. It's just that dusk is a bit tricky to play with because of the separation of color. You make it constantly rotating. You mean the day? I think like between rounds I could switch to day and night. That could be fun. You know, these high pixel cosmetics. Oh, you mean like as a win celebration? You can't actually do that in Diamond Fire. You can't rapidly spin the sun because there's like a 1 second thing obligated on it. Hello, Mermaid Man 2. You're actually nearing the end of the stream. But yeah, I think we're going to have to stay between day and night. So maybe what we do is in play.reset, after we clear the effect, we give night vision. Yeah, that's kind of the thing. Make a fake skybox and a fake sun for it. I'm not doing a resource pack. And I think doing it without a resource pack is even more painful. Anyway. Oh god. You're taking too long. I wanted to do something with the potion. Do I have night vision in there? I don't think I do. No. You're taking too long. Go to sleep, dog. Yeah, I think the plan for next stream, which is not tomorrow, by the way, I'm not going to stream tomorrow. The plan for next stream is to do the little jumbotron thing we wanted to do. To like display, well, we could cook stats at the same time, but to display the modifiers and stuff, I think it could be nice. We'll see how we do it, but I think it's going to be nice. All right. Well, that's it for the stream. Thank you, everybody, for sticking till the end. Thank you to everybody that watched the trailer. It was a bit short. I think I definitely overcooked it with the premiere, but yeah, I'm glad I got it out, and I'm hyped for the game to come out on Saturday. I hope to see you guys there. Anyway, have a good night, lads. See ya.